Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Jack's Magic Sequest Test Kit. What is Jack's Magic Sequest Test Kit? Jack's Magic's Sequest Test Kit provides pool owners with an easy all-in-one test kit for Jack's Magic stain and scale-fighting chemicals in your pool, such as pink stuff, purple stuff, and blue stuff. Keeping the proper amount of chemicals in your pool for constant protection is critical, and Sequest Test Kit provides all the answers you will need to keep your pool surfaces spotless, all in a handy carrying case. Product benefits: accurately test levels of the pink, blue, and purple stuff. A must-have for stain prevention and treatments. Easy to use. For more detailed instructions, please see the label. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.